Typically your roof is not just going to leak in just the middle of the roof where it's just shingled. It's going to leak where there's a penetration coming through the roof. And a penetration can be a flue pipe, a chimney, an exterior wall for a second story. So usually wherever your leaks occur is because your roof is being penetrated by some other component of your building system. Another reason you might need a repair to your roof is just because you have a really old roofing system and it's used its lifespan and it's no longer functioning as it's intended. So it just needs to be, repaired or possibly replaced. High temperatures and the sun can damage your roof. It usually comes in the form of a blister. And a blister is where there's actually causes physical damage to the shingle itself. And that happens because your attic space is not properly ventilated. And so in those cases, sometimes if you feel like your attic is improperly or under ventilated, we can come out there and do an assessment and take a look to see if we need to add some ventilation to your attic system. Sometimes other contractors can damage your roof. Let's say you're getting your Christmas lights hung and somebody had a big rock in their shoe and they decided to walk over your roof and they put indentions all over your roof from the rock that was in their shoe. Or they use staples when they put their Christmas lights on. And so it's always good to have a licensed roofing contractor come out if you think there's an issue after you've had work done to take a look and make sure everything is functioning correctly so you don't have an issue later down the road. One of the biggest culprits leading for us to come out and repair your roof is storm damage. And that can come in the form of high winds, it can come in the form of large hail that has damaged the roof and requires some replacement of material because it's been compromised or your shingles have been blown off or they've been damaged by the hail. And so it's always good after a large storm event just to give somebody a call to take a look, because from the ground you really can't tell. You have to really get up on the roof and examine it, sometimes even touching it to tell what is the damage. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure a lot of times in these situations. If you can catch something early, one, it's probably going to be less cost, less invasive to fix what's causing the leak. Number two, you probably won't have as much interior damage. If you let the problem persist, one, you might have to replace your entire roofing system if it gets too bad, and the damage to your interior will be very costly. If you think you're having any issues with your roof, please call Rhoden Roofing today.